so the rest of the sweet snacks are in the form of bars, like energy bars or granola bars, and I just think granola bars are a very nice compact way to carry a snack. I always keep at least 1 or 2 in my backpack in case I'm in an emergency situation and I get really hungry and I just need a snack. So these are the ones that I found that are oil-free. So the first brand I'm going to talk to you about is called Amrita bars, and they have a variety of flavors. These are just 3 that I have with me right now. They all come in a variety of fruits. So this one is a pineapple chia bar. This one is an apricot strawberry bar, and then they also have one protein bar. It's chocolate maca flavored, and oh my gosh guys, this tastes like a fudgy brownie. I'm not even kidding. Try chopping this up and putting it on your smoothie bowls and your life will be changed forever. But yeah, I really like the bars and the people behind this company. They're really nice. And these bars are free from like the top, I think 8 allergens, which is really good if you have kids and you're packing their school lunch or whatever. But they're gluten-free, dairy-free obviously, peanut-free, and soy-free as well.